child.
So we are unboxing the this Myntra. So you can see this. What is inside? It is a surprising gift. Oh, what is that?
This
Sleeves,
is a girl's cloth.
girls cloth. So Myntra is a very good app. You can download and you can use this app to buy something from your choice. So can you open this? This unboxing of Myntra. Very good app. Try this today. Show. Very good service. See, very good. Yes. So how's you feeling after watch this? Please comment in comment box. So very good. You can see. How much the price? How much? This will be 1990. So after discount, this is 1990. So please comment in comment box how's you feeling this after watch this frogs. Thanks for watching.
सही है ना ये?